Mushroom pasta is either dry and bland or so heavy. This one is right in the middle. Just 6 ingredients, perfectly creamy and ready in 20 minutes. And this is day 4. I'm making 7 pasta recipes in 7 days from creamy, spicy to Middle Eastern. If you missed yesterday's recipe, be sure to check it out. But first, this is 6 ingredients creamy mushroom pasta. What you will need is penne pasta, mushrooms, garlic, onion, butter, and heavy cream. 6 ingredients. Now start by bringing a pot of salted water to a boil, then add the pasta and cook according to the package instructions. Just stir it every now and then so the pasta does not stick together. Meanwhile, heat the pan over medium heat, add the butter along with a drizzle of oil to keep the butter from burning. You can use whatever oil that you want. Once it is melted, you want to add 1 small onion finely chopped. Now add that to the pan, followed by the garlic. Give everything a quick stir and cook until the garlic smells amazing. Now, since this is mushroom pasta, we will add about 1 pound of mushrooms. Slice them up and add them to the pan. Let them cook until they have released all their moisture and turn beautifully golden. Don't rush this step. That deep browning is where all the flavor comes from. Now, quick question, are you team mushroom or do you usually skip them? Let me know in the comments. Once the mushrooms brown, I am going to add 2 optional ingredients. 1 tablespoon of parsley and 1 teaspoon of oregano. They are not part of the 6 ingredients, but I love the extra flavor they add. So you can add them if you have them. If you don't, you can totally skip them. Now pour in about 400 milliliters of heavy cream. Now I want to be honest with you. I have tried so many creamy mushroom pasta recipes. It is one of my favorite dishes. And this recipe is honestly my favorite. It is simple, creamy, and really lets the mushrooms shine. So let the cream come to a gentle simmer, then pour in about 150 milliliters of the pasta water. This keeps the sauce silky and creamy without making it overly heavy. Let it simmer for a few more minutes until it thickens. By the way, if you're enjoying this recipe so far, do give this video a like. Now season with half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the sauce has thickened, give it a taste test and adjust the seasoning if needed. Add the cooked pasta and let everything cook together for about 5 to 10 minutes so it soaks up all that creamy goodness. Now we are done. I will plate it up and finish with some freshly grated Parmesan and a sprinkle of parsley. And there you have it, a delicious creamy mushroom pasta made with just 6 simple ingredients. This was day 4 of 7. Come back tomorrow for day 5. You don't want to miss it. It is quick and spicy and it's absolutely game changer. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.